How do you look? I watched the video that was 10 minutes long trying to explain to people about the DJI Osmo Action 4 and how to set up the best settings and low light. All you gotta do, and I won't waste any more of your time, put on auto low light enable, and that's all you need to do. Well, of course, you put on a light. That'll help. And yet, we say what lights we use. Just a car light. That's all I got. Hey, I'm Fish. I want to thank you for joining the show. Oh yeah, we're heading on out. I gotta get some supplies, and they are necessary. What's all this about? Junk, man. Probably get $5 for that, the most. And this is where he's going to, right there, and they're closed. No, it's not the camera. It's actually the lights flickering. I gotta get a piece of molding. Supplies. Off I go. I think I got what I need. Mousetrap. Dog chaser, glue. Oh man, I got what I need. I got 5 people online by me. Man, I go to the open one. It's not open. I have to go to the other open one. So let's get on out of here. I got all this moisture still to get out of the car because of the plug I used. Baby, I got what I needed finally. Everything I needed that I went in for and more. A lot of them need to get back on that school bus. You got it, man. Is he cleaning or is he homeless? That's where he's gonna go sleep. Right up there in that corner. Behind the gate. That's his house. Man, what a difference from darkness to just before the sunrise is hitting. This camera does mighty fine, the Osmo Action 4. I'm probably very pleased with my last action camera I bought. Yeah, so I got a lot of things to do, take care of, get done. I gotta get started. I got a busy day to get ahead of me. So on that note, I'm Fish, and I thank you for coming along, getting the supplies that I needed, and off I go.